Today we're going to the museum and we're gonna go to the dinosaur exhibits in the planetarium and the IMAX theater to watch like a movie about dinosaurs. Yeah. Yay!
Okay, we're going to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science.
Yeah, I said history. Whoopsie.
I know, I think it used to be history, but I think they call it nature and science now.
And it's about 30 minutes away.
All right.
So. Real dinosaur bones.
Real dinosaurs.
Following the tracks of dinosaurs.
Oh, well, we are.
Yeah.
Okay. It says welcome. Bienvenidos.
Is that
Whoa.
what type of dinosaur is that?
That's a T-Rex.
Is this like the actual size of it?
I think so, yep.
Why such tiny arms?
Wow.
So cool.
Is that scary?
Yeah, that's way too scary for me.
Nora, is that scary?
Yes.
Can you imagine? Now, what kind of dinosaur is this?
I have no idea. That's a Loch Ness monster.
It looks like a Loch Ness monster.
I think it is.
Imagine swimming in the water in the ocean and then not popping his head up.
Oh, wow.
So it freaks me out. Like monsters.
I only go after you.
If
you could change,
you get one of his eggs.
Oh!
Is that Evie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the nervous system.
Gregory, swimmer with the thumb. What is that on there?
Oh, circulatory system.
Don't fall in the river.
It's hard. You get so off balance for some reason.
I did. Where is the end? Now you have to go with your eyes closed. What is it?
Oh, did you see growth? Your pupil, that's crazy. Look at it.
Okay.
Evie.
And
So you're aged 10 to 20?
Oh!
that's so scary. That's so weird. Okay, we're just gonna. This is me now.
Okay.
And this is me 10 years.
Okay.
If I age, and this is me and 20.
No, you're gonna look. That's more than
I
20.
look like. Touch the moose! Touch the moose!
Whoa!
Touch the tree. Okay, we got into the planetarium and we're gonna. It's about to start. It's just like a giant circle. Like, look up. It's just a giant circle on the screen. Yeah. Right here, my shoes look like they're glowing in the dark. You said you could break some. Oh, those are neat.
I think it'd be worse than this.
Yes, This is so weird. There's a smiley face.
Okay, so how was the planetarium?
It was really cool.
Whoa! It's Evie.
We're in Brick Planet at the museum, so we're looking at a ton of the Legos that they built.
Oh, so it's a special exhibit?
Yeah, full of Legos.
Ah.
looking at a lot of giant Legos, like this giant bicycle right here.
Oh, yeah. It's a caterpillar.
Okay, let's see.
And it turns into a butterfly.
It took 290 hours to build.
How many?
290.
Whoa. Ooh.
It's amazing.
Over 68,000 hours to build, and over 68 bricks. Over 68,000 bricks, and over 600 hours to build. Oh, yeah. Look, but that's the years that it lived. It lived from 1505 to 1680.
And that's Legos too.
It lived from 1505 to 1681.
What is that?
The year it was.
Look at the
Oh, look at the clear ones that are the ice.
That's pretty cool.
26 hours.
only.
I mean, that's a long time.
133. Wait, 133, comma, 3 pieces. Comma. I don't know.
133,263 pieces.
1,049 hours.
Oh my goodness.
This is definitely the biggest.
Yep.
Gregory. This took like 1,049 hours.
That is amazing.
Oh, there's a baby on the other backside too. Oh no.
What?
Are we getting ready to see something get eaten?
Yeah, the mouse will get eaten by the snake.
There's butterflies.
Grandma. 542 hours. Yeah.
Like, I want a kit like that.
You want a kit like that? That's what happens on our fence.
And also because birds and squirrels like the same exact seeds.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here they come. And how was that, Evie?
Pretty cool.
Think you could make one of those?
No, definitely not. Did they have instructions or did they just freehand them?
Just like an artist, I think they just came up with it themselves.
Well, I would need like an instruction manual thing.
Yeah. Well, that's a real mummy right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Like there's a real person in it?
Yep, it says in the door, there's a use of human remains in this
Oh
exhibit.
my gosh. And also over there's also a vulture crocodile. I mean, a vulture mummy and a crocodile mummy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, over there. But the crocodile's like a very tiny, tiny crocodile. Ew, look at the face.
It's kind of interesting to think that that was a person that actually lived 2,400 years ago.
I know.
The world looked a little different 2,400 years ago.
Okay, so right now we're looking at a ton of old birds. And
And these exhibits have been here, I can't even remember. I mean, I was in elementary school, so at least 60 years old.
yeah, elephant bird egg. Come look at this elephant bird egg. That's right. Grandpa, look at this elephant bird egg.
Whoa!
Wow. Where? It's in the nest. It says, look how small this little bird egg. Elephant bird egg. It's just...
Now, oh, extinct elephant birds. What?
Snowbirds. Oh, it looks like that one has a mask. It does. Ooh, puffins.
Puffins in the back.
Oh, puffins.
What is that?
No,
Pretty amazing looking dioramas. You gotta admit.
A baby puffin. Puffin is called a puffling.
A puffin? This is the crowded part of the museum here. Golden eagles.
Oh my gosh, look, it's got a little cat.
A rabbit.
Cat or something.
It's a rabbit.
Oh. How big is the golden eagle?
more birds. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think we're gonna.
So many birds.
Ooh.
I thought we'd see.
That's so cool.
What's back there? Botswana.
It's just darker.
Ah! Baka.
You give them. Oh.
I wonder how big it is in here.
It's pretty big.
Grandpa, did you know mountain goats? Mountain goats aren't goats. They're in the antelope family.
Oh, are they really? Oh, well, that's interesting.
We're going into the prehistoric during the dinosaurs.
What's it called?
This is a fish.
Can you imagine that's just a fish? That looks pretty mean.
Fish called.
Yeah. Grandpa, it's the size of 3 cars. That creature.
Do you think like Volkswagens or SUVs?
I don't know. Just show a car. Oh, don't look. I'm gonna get you. What is the biggest pan in the world?
I don't know.
Japan. Okay, we're about to go into the theater.
To see what?
T-Rex. It's a movie, I think.
Yeah.
And look what's above us.
Oh my gosh.
It's a fin whale. Okay, the movie was pretty interesting. And now we're out.
What was the movie about?
A T-Rex.
Kind of about the life of a T-Rex.
Yeah. And now we're looking at dinos.
Oh
right there.
my gosh. What the heck?
That's the biggest dinosaur I've ever seen.
Look at the tail all the way to there.
Actually, I wonder how long it is. It's long enough to be dinosaur.
Whoa.
Tails are longer than our necks. Yeah, their tails are longer than look. His tail starts there. It ends over on the complete other side of the room.
Whoa.
That's where it ends. It starts. I wonder what if this fossil is. Look how tiny his teeth are. Look at his little teeth. This is a crane. Wow, that's huge. Whatever those are. They look weird to me.
If you look, there's 3 rhinos. That's a rhino. That's a rhino.
Cool.
take a
that
look.
actually how big they were?
It's
Is that so big?
carnivorous species. It's a giant carnivorous squid.
Where are we at, Cash?
Jen's in the mineral cavey thing.
Wow, look at that. How far back's that go?
Really far back. Here, look, like right here.
That's pretty cool.
You see way in the back.
Whoa. We're going in a cave?
Oh, that's a boring cave. Really scared. No, Grandpa. Look at there. Where's the there?
Ooh.
Come look at these crystals. These crystals are very shiny.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Shiny. Look how cool that crystal is.
Interesting. Turquoise. So this amethyst quartz. Yeah.
It's still gonna
Pretty
take
cool.
30 minutes.
Well, you're on video.
Just stop filming.
You're on video looking at all the rocks.
Look at that rock, that green one. Hey, more rocks. My favorite rock is this one right here. My favorite is that one back there with the green crystals.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that is cool.
Oh, look at all these different rocks.
Ooh, wait, Grandpa, we can go back here. Sort of weird.
So this says
Topaz.
one of the largest faceted stones in the world. This topaz was originally owned by artist Salvador Dali.
Cool.
The round. Okay, let's take a look.
It looks more blue on camera. Yeah, it looks more blue on camera.
Pretty cool.
It does look more blue on camera. Because in real life, it's clear. Yeah, it's really white and clear. Okay, so we just saw a ton of crystals. Gems and minerals. Yeah, gems and minerals.
Gems and minerals. And
I saw my birthstone.
Did
Me
you?
too.
Did you? By you.
I did too.
And we might be here a while because your
Because they're
grandma,
still in there.
your grandma
And
she likes rocks.
yeah, she likes it. We had a fun day at the museum looking at the dinosaurs and going to the planetarium and movie theater. And make sure to like and subscribe.